Good day everyone, I'm Huiyu. In this video, I'll be showing you this Singapore 1990 third shape series $2 banknotes. Before I take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us. So for these $2 notes, the size is 133 mm times 63 mm, and this is printed by Thomas DeLaRue. And the signature on the banknotes is signed by Dr. Tsu Tau. I hope I pronounced it correctly. So the first prefix of this is AA, and it came out around 1990. And here is their prefix for these notes, AB to EF, and the replacement notes is ZZ. Now, I'll leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Alright, now let's take a closer look at the notes. This is how the front of the notes look like. Let's turn it around. Now here is the printer name, Thomas DeLaRue, Company Limited. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.